Okay, so you know how sometimes you do something really dumb, like really dumb, and it somehow almost kills someone? Yeah, turns out that could land you in this thing called gross negligence manslaughter. Quick interruption. This video is a brief overview of gross negligence manslaughter for quick and easy revision. I'm thinking about going into more detail in another video, maybe looking into all the cases in excruciating detail. I've listed some important ones in the description below, and you can research and add them to the 6 elements of gross negligence manslaughter, which we're going to look a bit into in this video. Gross negligence manslaughter is like unlawful act manslaughter's slightly scarier cousin. Basically, if you're grossly negligent and someone dies, you'll get slapped with this charge. So, negligence, what's that, I hear you ask? It's when you just don't do what a reasonable person would do. Like take reasonable care to not harm another person, another human being. Simply put, if a reasonable person wouldn't yeet their friend off a cliff and you do, well, you're in a whole lot of trouble. So, the law got fancy in 2020 with this case called RV Broughton. Basically, the judges sat down and decided, let's make this harder. And now there are 6 elements, count them, 6, that the prosecution must prove. Number 1. Did you owe someone a duty of care? Like, did you have a responsibility to not be a complete and utter fool around them? If yes, congratulations. Step 1, check. Number 2, did you breach that duty? Basically, did you mess up so bad that even a random guy on the street would be like, whoa, dude, what are you doing? 3, was there a serious and obvious risk of death? Not like, oh no, someone might stub their toe, but more like, yeah, that's definitely going to kill someone. This is where things get tricky, because serious means serious, and obvious means immediately apparent. You should have seen it coming from a mile away. 4, was that risk reasonably foreseeable? Like, did you or anyone look at what you were doing and think, this might actually end up killing someone? If not, you may be lucky and you might just dodge this one. To make it easier for you, steps 3 and 4 are often looked at together, but be careful because it depends on the case. 5, did your failure of a breach actually cause this death? Keyword, cause. This is the part where lawyers start throwing around fancy words like factual causation, legal causation, act of God, but really it's just about proving your mess up was substantial in leading to someone's death. Simple, right? If not, hopefully this video on the top right will clear things up about causation. And finally, number 6, was your breach so grossly, mind-blowingly negligent that the jury thinks, yikes, that's bad. We're talking next level bad. Not just your run-of-the-mill screw-up, but something that screams, this person definitely deserves to be criminally punished. And that's it. That's gross negligence manslaughter. Easy, right? And you might be thinking, wait, what about the whole state of mind? The mens rea? Well, good news. Your state of mind is irrelevant in the eyes of the law. The law does not care. If the law believes that your actions would make a reasonable person facepalm into oblivion, you're done. That's it from me. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and maybe I'll answer them in another video. Until then.